Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Tanna and welcome to Tanna So Lit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the changes in iMessage for iOS 14. Yes indeed, iOS 14 is supposed to be released this fall of 2020, and people, there are some changes that I need to address because in my phone, iMessage is the main app that I use every single day, and I know there are millions of iPhone users who feel the same way. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Let's go! Alright everybody, now we're inside of iMessage. So y'all all up in my business right now, but it's okay, you guys are family. Now people, the most lit thing that I'm loving about this new iteration of iMessage, as you see it up top, pins. Yes indeed, you can pin contacts, conversations, or whatever. What? Now, to pin a conversation to the top, all you have to do is long press a conversation, go down to the pin option right there, click on that, and bam, you're good to go.
And you know this, man.
And people, this is so convenient because instead of scrolling all the way up and down the list, the conversation that you want to access is right at the top.
You ain't lying.
Now the next thing that's dope about this iOS 14 update of iMessage is the new Memoji stickers. People, check this out. They got more and more characters and everything for your Memoji to do. Like this raw fist bump right here. Let's put that up there. Send that. Woo! Yes sir, yes sir. And as you all know, that Apple, man, when it comes to this emoji game, they pretty much got it locked. Also, another thing that I want to mention is priority group messaging. Yes indeed. Man, the person who left the last message, their icon will be bigger in the circle. Very nice touch. It's minor, but it's major, if you know what I mean. Yeah! Well, those are the two major updates that's coming to iMessage in the upcoming iOS 14 update.
For shizzle.
Well, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Apple a thumbs up because that's official. Yes sir, yes sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what? To feel the whole swag and badness of Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Man, Apple, y'all are killing it.